beautiful. So you're going to take the first part out, and you have a little note here and what it includes. So you're going to bring it to the side, and you're going to pull this up, and then watch. Ooh, pretty. So pretty. You have the essential oils there. You have your paperwork here in this pouch. So you just slide it out and read some more information. You have several things in here. And then you're going to pull this other ribbon. So you have this ribbon to pull and open it. You have this other ribbon. Can you see it? You're going to pull this one up, and you're going to see the second layer. Okay. And let me show you what the second layer has. So this has all the essential oils, right? And then you can bring this over. Are you a homeschooling parent looking for resources, tips, and training to give your children an exceptional education? Look no further than The Natural Homeschool. Our website is full of detailed, wonderful information and advice on how to make homeschooling work for you, no matter what type of family or lifestyle you have. Our blog dives deep into the Montessori philosophy and any educational philosophy that you implement in your homeschool, and offers helpful resources for incorporating Montessori or anything else into your homeschooling journey. But we don't just stop at information and advice. We also have the Natural Homeschool Shop, where you can find amazing products that will make homeschooling a breeze. From Montessori-inspired materials and educational games and home decor, even printable ones, our shop has everything you need to enhance your children's learning experience. And the best part, our products are not only high quality, but affordable too. We believe that everyone should have access to the tools they need to give their children an amazing education. So why wait? Head over to thenaturalhomeschool.com today and start giving your children the education they deserve. With our website and shop, homeschooling has never been easier. The Natural Homeschool, changing the way you homeschool for the better.